Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to print the alphabetic series A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, so on Z. So which means first letter should be small letter and every second letter should be capital letter. See, every second letter should be capital letter. So these series we have to do, but we have to do using while loop. So today in this class, I will explain how while loop will work. So in the previous videos, we had learned how for loop works, like how for loop tool works. But in this video, we will learn how while loop works. So the for loop and the while loop, both are same, but so execution of this while loop and for loop is different. That's it. I'll explain to you how while loop will work. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So we have to just print this series. That's it. So let us write the code. Import java.util.star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So I hope the scanner is not necessary. So I'm taking int ch equal to 97. I'm just taking ch is equal to 97 and cnt is equal to 1. So I have taken a ch variable and I'm storing 97 and I'm taken count and I'm storing one value. So why I'm taking these two variables and storing these numbers? Why? Let us like after completing the code, you can understand. So I am writing now while loop. So while loop opens. So I have taken a variables, two variables, simple two variables. In that I have stored 97 and count equal to 1. And I have opened the while loop. So in this while loop, I am writing the condition if ch is less than or equal to 122. So ch less than or equal to 122, which means I have told the ASCII values, right? ASCII values in the previous videos. So what is the A value? A value is 97 and so on. B value is 98. So C value is 99, D value is 100. So on, it will be up to 122. So 122 will be the Z value. So Z value is what? 122. This is the ASCII numerical value for the alphabet. Every alphabet will having the ASCII value and that value is 97, 98, that 122. So I hope you understand. So I have written the while ch less than or equal to 122 and I will check if count mod 2 is equal to 0, then I will print the second character. So this is like why I'm writing the even number logic, because every second letter is capital letter. See, one is for example, one value is one, A value is one, B value is two. So two is even number, right? And C value is three, D value is four. Four is the even number. So I'm writing a logic of even number, and I am converting that, like I'm checking with the even number logic, and if that even number logic is correct, then I have to print these capital alphabetic letters. So I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, please watch the video again. So why I'm writing count mod 2 equal to 0? Because every second character. So every second character is a even number. So that's why I'm writing the even number logic. So I have to print the character to uppercase. So how can we convert the number into character? By using char keyword and the character. So what is the character is an integer, right? I have to convert it into the alphabet. How I can convert the number into the alphabet? By using this char, by using this char and ch. So ch is a number 97. So 97 number, what is the character? A. So I hope you understand. And if not, like if it is not a even character, then I have to print the small character. That's it. So I have to use char and ch. That's it. And after that, I have to write count plus plus. So I have to increment, right? Every time the count value should be incremented. So I'm like every time the character should be incrementing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 26 letters. So up to this count will be increased up to 26. The count will be iterating. So in the for loop, for example, in the for loop, we will write int I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to and I plus plus. So in the for loop, we are writing the whole thing here only. But in the while loop, we will write it like this. So here it is the initial value. I'm writing initial value here I is equal to 0, but I'm writing the initial value outside the while loop. So I hope you got it. Same, same for loop, but I'm writing the initial value outside and condition in the while loop and incrementing in the while loop. See here, the whole thing in the while loop only. So this is will be iterating until 122. So this loop will be executed until 122. So count plus plus, and after that ch plus equal to 2. So why I'm writing ch plus equal to 2? So every second letter I have to check, right? Every second letter I have to check. D, F, H. So that's why I'm writing ch plus equal to 2. So everything is fine. Code is completed. So let's run this program. See here A, C, Yeah. A, C, E, G, I. See, every second letter is capital letter. For example, if I put 1, so our logic is completed. We put 2, every second character will be, see, after one character, B will be gone and D will be gone. So based on our logic, the code will be executed. So this is the code we have to write, A, B, C, D. So this is the output. One letter is small, one letter is big, one letter is small, one letter is big. So I hope you understand. So that's it, friends. So if you find like this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon, so then only you will get the notifications, or otherwise you will not get the notifications. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.